I'm just going to show you how to set the sat nav in this 2017 Golf. So from any screen here, just turn the aircon down so it's not making a noise. From any screen, touch screen onto nav. You've got new destination down there. Let's just see if it goes off. Right, it's gone off. So there's no instructions screen at the bottom. So when you move your hand towards it, it comes back up again. So there you go. So it's come up, new destination. Touch screen will press on the new destination. We're Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston. P. See, my fingers are like absolute Mars bars. So I need to delete that. Click delete. So P was our 5 4 J S. We are Grosvenor Garage, Chorley Road, Wantleydale, Preston, PR5 4JS. So that's it there. It's come up, Lancashire. We'll click on that, and then all we have to do is click start.
The routes are being calculated. Please select a route.
You've got 3 routes there. They're all about the same, but you can choose between them. So we'll go for that top one. That's it done.
Please follow that B6230 for 1 mile.
Okay, I'll just show you how to delete a mobile from this 2017 VW Golf. So from any screen, we're on nav at the moment. You've got here phone, or you've got menu there. You can do it from both ways. If I go onto phone, you'll see there, find mobile phone, please find, or you've got settings here. So we click on settings. Onto settings, select mobile phone or Bluetooth. If you click Bluetooth, you've then got, see, it's still not immediately obvious. So you've got Bluetooth. If you're having any problems, just make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth. If you can't pair your mobile or it's not showing up, make sure there's a tick in Bluetooth. But what you have to do here is come down to paired devices. Click paired devices, and then you've got, that's the phone I want to delete. So we'll touch that. You see there's a bin. If I touch on the bin, do you really want to delete Barry's iPhone? Yes, delete. That's it. That's how you delete a mobile. Okay, I'll just show you how to pair a mobile to the Bluetooth audio system in this 2017 VW Golf. First of all, we have to make sure Bluetooth is on. So Bluetooth's on there, and it's already picked it up there, VW BT4368. But what you need to do, click on phone. If there's nothing already attached, find mobile phone. So we'll click that, or click it, touch it. It's actually searching, it's come up here. We'll wait for it to show, because sometimes you can jump the gun here. So we'll wait for it to find it on the screen. But it's already showed up on the phone. The phone's found the audio system. We need to wait for the audio system to find the phone. It's now actually gone off, so we'll wait for it to come back on. There you go. So it's found it on here. So if I touch that, hands-free telephone connecting to, here we go, pair. So pair there. Does the key match? Yes. Allow contacts and favourites to sync. Yeah, why not? So allow. Just there you go. That's connected. So it's connected. My phone's connected, and it's showing up on the screen here. I'll just show you how to stream audio from your phone through the Bluetooth system in the 2017 VW Golf. If we go, or if you go to your iTunes, click on iTunes, you see at the bottom, that used to be a red triangle with 3 red circles. Now it's a silver triangle with 3 red circles. If you click on there, you'll see VWBT, that's got a tick next to it. Now, if we go over to media, that's showing auxiliary. We'll press media again, and that's come up with what's playing on my phone. You may have to press that a couple of times, especially if you've got either an SD card in, something connected to the auxiliary in, or the USB in. So here we go. So if I turn this up, it's turned down on my mobile. So now, that's it. That's how you play it. I can't play it for too long, otherwise I'll get a copyright strike on my YouTube channel. And but that's how you do it. Thanks for watching.